How to combine videos on Instagram Reels. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to combine multiple videos into one Instagram Reels easily on your phone. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the plus icon which can be seen in the bottom center of the screen. And now here, once you are in the reel section, you simply have to tap on the camera icon. And now here, in this section, you simply have to tap on the shutter button to record the video. And here, after recording, you simply have to tap on the gallery icon, which can be seen in the bottom left corner, to select existing videos that you want to combine. And now, here in this section, you simply have to select the video from here that you want to combine. And now, here, once you're done selecting the video, you simply have to tap on next. And now, here in this section, you simply have to tap on next again. And now here in this page, you simply have to look and see if everything looks good. And here you can add captions, hashtags, you can tag to the people, you can add location to it, you can rename the audio, you can set your audience. And here, once you're done with everything, you simply have to tap on share. And that's it. That's how you can combine multiple videos on Instagram Reels. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.